Hello, my name is Amir and welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial we want to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. First of all we need some files. First you need to install VirtualBox. You can download it on Google. If you are on Windows host, you can download this. If you are on Mac OS, you can download this, or any Linux distribution, you can download this. After you download and install, you have this. So, next thing you need ISO file for your OS. At this moment we use Ubuntu. To downloading Ubuntu, just Google. You can download Ubuntu LTS on this site. It's official site. It's an LTS badge, mean long-term support for 5 years. You press the download button, and here you can download. It's 1.93 gigabyte. After you download it, you have file here, as I downloaded. Okay. To install this OS on our virtual machine, we need to create a virtual machine. The minimum spec recommended for this OS is 2 GB and 2 core, and 50 GB of HDD. So we press the new, put some name, Ubuntu, my Ubuntu. You choose the save folder, which is default, and VirtualBox automatically detected by name which version, which OS you want to install. If it doesn't detect, you can click on Linux and choose Ubuntu. I downloaded 64-bit. Press the next. Press the next. Create a new hard. Choose the one VDI. And if you choose dynamically allocated, you can change it if you need greater hard. If you choose fixed size, you have a fixed size. I mean, yeah, you know that. Okay, 10 GB. I increase it to 20 GB. Here is your machine virtual disk. You can choose another path. I choose the VM HDD and save it there. Okay, and create. Okay, after you create, you just start it. Now on startup you ask for ISO file or disk. You can choose your ISO file. We had on this folder, this. Okay. And start. You can enter the screen by right click and autofit by right control. Yeah, like this. Okay, it should take a long bit. Okay, we are on installation wizard. If you want just live CD or just want to use Ubuntu without installation, try Ubuntu. It's not installing anything, just running. If you want to install on your machine, you should uh, press the install Ubuntu. There is a couple of language here you can choose if you want. I'll let it be default on English and press the install button. Uh, window you can choose your this page. You can select your keyboard layout. If you want to use another language, I choose let it be default. You press continue. Okay, in this page we select a normal installation. If you choose normal installation, some tools and stuff will be installed by default. If you don't need that stuff listed here, you choose minimal installation. If you have any device, additional device like graphic card or Wi-Fi hardware or printer like that, you can press this to download uh, that when installing Ubuntu. Here we press the continue, and after that we click erase disk and install Ubuntu. Ubuntu will be installed and the selected disk and virtual machine will be formatted. We choose our time zone, preferred username or name, yeah, and the password for your root. Don't forget this password. Click continue. Okay, now the installation completed. We need to restart our computer. We press the restart now. And our virtual machine will be restarted. And our VS Code will come in up. Here is all Ubuntu. There's some personal software in your dock. You can see your application here. File Manager. If you want to use better, you can click there and first insert guest additional C image. If it shows this pop-up, you click on Run. Press and I need to install the additional module for better compatibility. Yes, you see the screen is bigger and with better pixel. Okay. Thank you for watching. This was my first video on YouTube. Sorry if that wasn't so good. If you like this video, press the like button. If you like the channel, press the subscribe button. Thank you.